welcome to the Festival of Speed ETT Squad. We're going to show you some beautiful cars and beautiful people out here. We're at the Ritz Carlton. Look, our first car, the Lamborghini. Look at this car.
Very special cars here. So this, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, being the Roadster edition. Obviously the panels, the exception on this, we've taken the panels off this car, we actually fit them in the front of the car. People don't realise there's two individual ones you can pop off. But this is a very special car, it's my customer's car.
How much is this one?
This was in the mid 600s.
Okay, I am over in front of a BMW i8, which is the way things are going. And quite frankly, I'm a car guy, and I'm okay with that. So, do me a favor, introduce yourself, talk about this vehicle, what you've done to it.
Look at this, Lovey, this
why it's
Aston
cool,
Martin. That's a gorgeous
and all that.
Aston
So go
Martin
ahead.
right there.
Hey, my name is Joe.
That's a beauty. I want this car right here.
I pretty much, other than the seat belts and the stitching on the interior, I've done everything else. I just blue, big Orlando Magic fan, and kind of went off with that. Just put the rims on last week before the show. Had them painted because they were chrome. Went with the blue. I'm actually in the car business, so I'm just a car guy, I'm a car freak.
Love McLaren. You know I like McLarens. What? Look at the doors. On the inside.
Is this your new car?
Huh?
Is this your new car?
No.
Ramon from Corsa headquarters. Can you tell us something about your company?
Absolutely. So we have exotic car rentals throughout the state of Florida, primarily focusing on Orlando, Florida. So for anybody that's interested in renting an exotic vehicle, we have a litany of cars ranging from Lamborghini all the way to Jeeps, all makes and models, different sizes, to fit your desired needs when you're visiting in town. Please visit us at corsahq.com.
So Ramon, so you're saying I could take this Lamborghini right here to Walt Disney World?
Absolutely.
Go to Epcot.
Absolutely.
Take this beauty right here. Look at the good
Arms, I mean, I'm
huh?
pretty media explosion, so you can literally set it up to where it's zeroed with one rifle. You take this thing off, put it on another rifle.
Definitely come by one of the shops. I work at the Kissimmee location. My name is Dustin. We get ammo drops all the time. We post on social media, but if you even have it on there, if you look at show with firearm, particular ammo set to you.
Matches my dress. Yeah.
So we turn it up.
The man that belongs to me now. Hey.
So we have Joseph Harvey is the owner of House of Stereo Jacks,
Okay.
and he owns Wolf Audio Systems too.
over here.
So we are in $250,000 worth of stereo equipment right
That's
now.
awesome.
The Focal. So this is we're so good. Paris-made company right now. So this is like handmade out of Paris.
How much is
Focal.
that speaker?
This speaker right now for the pair is $60,000.
60,000?
But yes, we're going even further. So we got 30,000 each little pair right here. Plus all together with what it's driven through, it's about $250,000. Yes, T+A as well,
nice.
and handmade in America as well. And then we have Wolf Audio, who is Joseph's birth child. So he makes the integrated touchscreen systems. So basically we're in like a very nice juicy area. And it was wild to see that we got shut down because we got too juicy, and the other speakers got too much, and then the owner came up, he's like, I love this, and then I realized how crappy my speakers were when I came up to you guys, so would you mind doing our event next year?
Oh yeah, that'd be nice.
We're in there.
That's good. That's awesome.
Fun, yeah. So we're gonna bring, there's a 7-foot pair that we have. So it's going to be this tall.
That's gorgeous.
So next year it's going to be that, but then now we're going to start it over here and then it comes down.
Step back and show the baby, show the back.
Okay, there you go. So let me get a picture. Nice talking to you. It's a pleasure, sir.
Enjoyed it. And thanks for the information on Arabia. I didn't ponder that.
All carbon. He's got to look over here. Look over here. I want to take a picture with the gun.
And then you walk around with it. It does you special. You want to look like a pro with it? Here, take your hand. Right-handed or left-handed? Right-handed. So you're going to do this with your right hand like this. And take your finger, hold it straight off the trigger like that, and point it in a safe direction. Feel nice and comfortable with it, like you carry it all the time, right? There you go. Of course, got to make you look good in the photos, right? See, she is a perfect like contrast. Make sure you guys tag us, the Armories. We got an Instagram as well.
Keep going. Well, I gotta say, I mean,
with Central Seat for quite a while now, and I heard it was easier. So, that's why we're talk about Titan and why folks go ahead and show us.
How you doing? My name's John, and this is my beautiful wife, Cherise.
I'm in. All right, go see the folks at Titan. They will absolutely take care of you, and I mean it. So, what is how long does it take for them to frame off for fishing restoration?
Take you guys give it a call, and then at that point, we'll get you guys squared away.
Looking forward to taking care of you guys.
Look at these golf carts. Look at this, Smokey. Let me see if I can get in.
I don't think it's a golf cart.
It's not? Oh no, it looks like a golf cart. This is so nice, I love it. I like the red. How about the pink? You see the pink next to us? The pink and the black, I love it. So cute. Oh, there's the prices right there. The specs.
I am. They run about $23.5 to $25 range.
What do you do with it?
So it's it's for your beach communities. It's for around to the restaurant. I've got about 12 to 15 of them in Winter Park. They'll take them down to Park Avenue. Go to lunch.
Windermere, Winter Garden, all those little areas.
Grocery shopping.
Yeah, 'cause there's a lot of room back here.
Sure, yeah.
They're so pretty too. They're pretty. Look at the seats. I love the seats.
We can't keep it clean.
I love the seats. That's fine.
Yeah. Queue up one more time in the band there, and then pump it up just a little, and I'll let you know.
I know, that's exactly why we parked the other two cars, the Senna and the 720 outside. Because Dad said, there's no way.
I love that. Nasty in that color. Nasty, baby. We're just looking at this one, bro.
Sorry.
All right, that concludes our award ceremony for today. We have plenty, and I mean plenty of show left. The weather continues to be amazing. It is about 3 o'clock now. The show will officially end at 4 o'clock, so you have another hour of enjoying the amazing works of art. Anything with wheels, propellers, repairs, and now we know that it's the 21st century. We don't care if it's gas, electric, it goes. Thank you, Mr. Music Man. Perfection.
So pretty in Tampa, Florida, the enclave.
What is this place? Hello, how are you?
Hello.
What is it? So this is coming to Tampa, intersection of I-75 and I-4, northwest corner by the airport. You can land at the airport and walk over to your car condo, private garage, which is, this is the garages. And then this is the track. So it's only one of 5 tracks designed by Herman Tilke, the Formula One designer. It goes counterclockwise at our event center that seats 500 people right here. A members lounge overlooking the track here.
So you can race your cars.
Yes, performance track. But no official races, just performance. Half a mile straightaway, 14 turns. And you're going to have our vehicle dynamic pads, a skid pad, autocross events on here, 2.5 acres. And then you have the off-road course, 80 acres. You have a Jeep, Land Rover, crazy tall obstacles over here. You have a rallycross course in the middle here, and then a side-by-side desert experience course out here. Down here will be a mix of all these obstacles for training and classes and whatnot. Trailer parking over here, and we'll sell race gas over here as well. Pool and bar and grill for all the family members and the drivers that are on the track, and the drivers afterwards. And then all of our garages. We have a whole. You see, we have a whole race team moving down here. And then all the pins are already spoken for.
Really?
So, yeah.
When does it open?
So June of 22.
June of 22.
All the first 7 buildings, June of 22, and the track and the off-road park and all this stuff. Then these buildings will be shortly after that. So late summer 22, fall, winter, spring of 23. Yeah, it's going fast.
That's gonna be nice.
Yeah, we're gonna have cars and coffee, maybe a festival of speed on here. Who knows?